Alright, so we have a 2006 Hyundai Tucson. This bad light on the plate, you see that one is working, this one's not working, so we're going to show you how to do it yourself at home. So all you do is take a Phillips screwdriver, you remove both of these right here, this one and this one, and then you're going to use something such as a pick. You could use anything to probe this out. You just pull it out gently, just like that. If you have a very flexible knife, you could use that, probe it out, but we have some tools. And then, this thing comes right out. So you have a bulb in there, this weird looking bulb. This looks like a dome light bulb. So this is the bulb. The number on this is E617. So I don't know if we have this. Let's see if we do have this. We have the new bulbs. This is the bulb. These bulbs look like the dome light bulbs. The number is 6418. And if we got the other bulb out, we're gonna take this out of the package. We're gonna take one bulb, and this goes right in there. It's very simple. You just squeeze, these things just open up and the bulb goes in there. You put the bulb on there and then you push it back, it's gonna go click back to its spot. I opened a little bit, let me just push it. Let's open them up a little bit.
I'll open them up now.
Alright, so now what we'll do is, before we put the cover back together, we'll put the light on, see if it comes on. There you go, we have both bulbs on. And now we're gonna put the cover on. This one has a little seal inside. We'll put the covers on with the 2 screws, and that's it. After that, you're done. You could do this at home yourself. Write a ticket. A lot of times, some states they give you a ticket if you have any of the back bulbs out. These bulbs was about $4. It comes 2 in a package. That's it. That's how you change a bulb on, plate bulb on a Hyundai Tucson.